Okay, friends, so we have been reading Judy Moody Saves the World, and today you're going to be answering some questions, and you're going to act like you are helping Judy Moody give a class presentation on what she learned about the environment. So it says Judy Moody will come up to the front of the class and talk about what she has learned about the environment, said Mr. Todd. Then you have a few things that you need to read and answer questions about. So it says read pages 18 to 20 for this first one. Then it says use the information on these pages to help Judy tell the class how she got the idea to save the world. So you need to read 18 through 20 and then see how Judy Moody got the idea to save the world. And then in at least a sentence, you need to tell me how she got the idea to save the world. And you can add text to this, a text box. You cannot write with your just with your finger on your iPad, or you can just write it on a piece of paper. That's your choice. And then the next one says read pages 21 and 22. Use these pages to help Judy tell the class about the Crazy Strips contest. So 21 and 22 will help you learn about the Crazy Strips contest. And you're going to write, again, at least a sentence explaining the Crazy Strips contest. And then the last one, you're going to read pages 24 and 27 and use those pages to help Judy tell the class about her work the next morning and then how her family felt about her plan. So this last one needs to be 2 sentences. The first sentence is telling the class about her work the next morning, and the second sentence is how her family felt about the plan. So when you get done with this whole thing, you should have 4 complete sentences answering these questions. All right, go ahead and get to work. Judy Moody is on page 15 in your car book. So 15 in your car book, turn it, open it, and then get to reading.